Welcome back to another home tour. Today I'm in beautiful Rica, Georgia, and we're going to tour this brand new modern farmhouse together. This 6,200 square feet masterpiece offers 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, huge chef's kitchen, high ceilings, oversized windows with plenty of natural light, full minibar in the owner's bath, a 4-car garage with high ceilings that can comfortably fit your boat, and it's also equipped with an electric car charging station. You have 3 acres of land to comfortably spread, providing privacy and 2 gated entrances, and you're in the heart of Rica, just minutes from Highway 78 with shopping and dining, an hour from Lake Allatoona, and about 7 minutes from Interstate 20, 30 miles from Atlanta, and about 40 miles from the International Airport. This home is currently offered at $949,500, and the seller is offering an additional $20,000 in buyer incentives. So if you enjoy the content I'm putting out on my channel, and if you are looking to move to South Metro Atlanta suburbs, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and I have lots more coming. And if I can be of assistance to your home search, I will be delighted to help you find your home when you're ready. But for now, enjoy the tour. about buying a home anywhere in Georgia, go to my website, vickybryant.com, where you can find all of the available homes for sale, resale, and new homes without having to share your personal information with Zillow and Realtor.com. So go check it out. Purchase new construction home anywhere in South Metro Atlanta, get in touch so I can share with you how I can help you save money and find the best home for you and your family. if you enjoyed this video today, and if you want to learn more about living in Villa Rica, go watch the next video on your screen. I think you'll like it. So go watch it now, and I'll see you there.